Hi all, welcome back to your channel. Today's video is going to be about the regeneration of all this dock area leading up to Bramley Moore. So pretty much from the city centre all the way to Bramley Moore is going to be getting redeveloped. And before I start, I just want to ask, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And people have been asking about me Instagram, so I'll put my Instagram up on the screen now, and that's where you can follow me on Instagram. Any message you want to send there, yeah, feel free to. Okay, and that's where I put most of my photography on there as well. So yeah, so I'll get started with the video anyway. So all this land down here is redeveloped by Peel Holdings. It's going to be a 30-year project costing around £5 billion. Hopefully it won't take 30 years to build. So let's just get a shot there. On the screen now is an overhead shot of the whole area that's going to be getting redeveloped. Okay. It's funny because on all the designs that have Everton's ground on it, Everton's ground like a complete box, it's just really square. I don't know why, apart from this one which I'm showing now, which is showing the whole waterfront. You can see Goodson Park here. Okay, so it's going to be, yeah, so it's going to consist of 5 neighbourhoods. And it's going to be running 2 kilometres from the edge of the Prince's Dock along the Mersey estuary until it reaches Bramley Moore. So if you look at this photograph here, so let me just stop here, have a spin around. So the cultural island, sorry, the first phase is going to be the cultural island. So that's going to be in this area here, and that's going to be phase 1 of the project. So a little span around there. And there's no actual completion date of phase 1, so I can't give you that information just yet, but as soon as I find out I'll let you know. Okay, so looking back now and heading over. So there's going to be 15,000 new residents in this area as well, in 9,000 new homes. So if you work out the maths, it's going to be 1 and 2 bedroom apartments in it. It's not really going to be for families. But right the way along here is going to be a stunning looking development, as you can see by the photographs, leading all the way up to Everton's new ground here at Bramley Moore. So let me just turn it round and have a look back on where it's all going to be. Because what I want to try and do is match up the shots that I've seen, well, that you've seen in the photographs. So I'm going to get right in the air and back up and try and match it up as best I can. So I'll have a good idea of what it is now and what it's going to look like when it's done. Pretty much thereabouts. I haven't got the photograph on me, but it will be on screen, and I think it's roughly looking like that. In fact, yeah, Everton's ground's not quite in the photograph that's on the screen. Yeah, so it's going to be roughly there or thereabouts anyway. So yeah, it's going to look pretty impressive, and if you're like me, you haven't got much of a imagination of how things are going to look until it's actually done. So it's a good job that there's artwork out there showing it, because looking at this now, and as someone said, there's going to be all apartments along here, buildings, tower blocks. You just can't imagine it. But yeah, just a quick video to let you know of this redevelopment that's going on in this area. There's not much to show you drone wise, because it's all just wasteland at the moment. But this land that's been, as in the last video about Bramley Moore, it was sitting decaying for 29 years before planning permission was granted for the new grounds. And it's pretty much the same with all this area. It's been left to rot since the 1980s. I remember coming down here as a kid, swimming in the docks. But yeah, and there we have it. So I'll leave it there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you like it, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Give it a thumbs up, and yeah, you're helping me, helping the channel grow, and it gets at a bigger reach. It helps the algorithm. And I'll speak to you all soon. Goodbye.